Finding the perfect perfume as a teenager can feel overwhelming, especially when you don't want to blow your whole allowance on one bottle. Today, I'm breaking down the best perfumes for teenage girls, and every single one on this list is under $200. Before we jump in, quick sub if you're new here. I do beginner-friendly fragrance breakdowns every week, so you never have to guess what you're buying. When picking scents for teens, I looked for three things. It has to smell fun and fresh, not like your grandma's perfume. It has to last through a full school day, and it can't cost a fortune. Pick number 1 is Ariana Grande Cloud. This is basically the teen starter perfume. It smells like lavender, whipped cream, and warm vanilla. Super cozy and sweet without being overpowering. A full-size bottle runs around $60 to $70, and it's sold at pretty much every drugstore and Ulta. Pick number 2 is Sol de Janeiro Cheirosa 62 Perfume Mist. If you've seen this brand all over TikTok, this is why. It smells like pistachio, caramel, and salted vanilla, warm and beachy. It's around $45, and honestly, the body mist version works just as well for daily wear. Pick number 3 is Billie Eilish's Eilish Perfume. This one is creamy vanilla and sugared petals, soft and comforting, almost like a warm hug in a bottle. It sits around $52, and it's a great pick for someone who wants something a little more unique than the typical fruity teen scent. Pick number 4 is Victoria's Secret Bombshell. This is the classic fruity floral, passion fruit, and Hawaiian flowers with a touch of vanilla musk. It's bright, confident, and great for daytime. Expect to pay around $60 for the full size. Pick number 5 is Marc Jacobs Daisy. If she wants something that feels a little more grown-up but still playful, Daisy is violet, jasmine, and strawberry with soft woods underneath. It's a step toward more classic perfumery, and it usually runs around $100 to $120. And pick number 6, our splurge pick, is Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium. This one's for the teen who wants a perfume that feels a little more special occasion. Coffee, vanilla, and white flowers. It's bold without being too mature, and a full bottle lands right around $140 to $160, so it still fits comfortably under our $200 limit. Quick tip before you buy anything: always try a sample first if you can. Skin chemistry changes how a perfume smells, and what's amazing on your friend might smell totally different on you. So that's 6 perfumes for teens, all under $200, ranging from a $20 rollerball all the way up to a full designer bottle. Let me know in the comments which one you're adding to your wish list. And if this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more affordable fragrance picks every week. See you in the next one.